Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying the Nishman Wax No. number 8. Stay tuned for more tips.
Caught in a landslide, lost underground.
Nishman Hairstyling Made Wax with its bentonite clay-based formulation and a special fragrance helps you get the natural look you need for your hair. Low shine and effective style for all day.
Hell fed me down, and then my eyes got used to the darkness, and everyone I knew was lost and so long forgotten.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Now would you blame me for you twist the knife? Yeah.